What if your map app could do more than tell you where to turn? What if it could actually think with you while you walk or bike? Google Maps has just integrated Gemini AI, and it's turning navigation into something closer to a real-time personal assistant. Instead of tapping through menus or stopping to search, you can now ask natural language questions while moving and get intelligent, context-aware answers instantly. In this video, I'll break down what Gemini inside Google Maps actually does, how it works while walking or cycling, why this is a major shift for everyday users and businesses, and how you can take advantage of it right now. Let's dive in. Google has begun rolling out Gemini-powered conversational assistants directly inside Google Maps, specifically optimized for people navigating on foot or by bike. Instead of just following turn-by-turn directions, users can now ask questions verbally, get contextual suggestions about nearby places, discover things around them without stopping or switching apps. For example, while walking downtown, you can ask, "Where's a good coffee shop along my route? Which restaurant nearby has outdoor seating? Is there a pharmacy open right now?" And Gemini doesn't just pull listings, it understands your current location, your route, your travel mode, your timing, and your intent. This turns Google Maps from a navigation tool into a real-time AI guide. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Gemini is Google's advanced multimodal AI system designed to understand natural language, context, location data, user intent, real-world constraints like time, traffic, and distance. When integrated into Google Maps, Gemini continuously understands where you are and where you're going, interprets your spoken question in real time, filters results based on relevance, accessibility, hours, ratings, and proximity, delivers an actionable response you can use immediately. So instead of scrolling through reviews or stopping to search, you get hands-free discovery while in motion, which is exactly what walking and cycling navigation needs. This is especially powerful because Maps already knows your pace, your route geometry, your ETA, whether you're walking uphill, biking, or crossing neighborhoods. Gemini simply layers intelligence on top of that real-world awareness. Let's look at what this actually feels like in practice. Imagine you're walking in a new city. You say, "Find me a casual lunch spot nearby." Gemini responds with something like, "There's a highly rated sandwich shop 2 minutes ahead on your right that's open and not crowded." Or maybe you're sightseeing. "What's this building?" Gemini can provide historical or business information about landmarks and nearby locations, all without stopping navigation. Or if you're commuting, "Is there a faster route if I avoid stairs?" Gemini can reroute you dynamically based on accessibility needs or terrain preferences. This turns Maps into something closer to a walking companion, not just a GPS. For cyclists, this is arguably even more impactful. Cyclists often need hands-free navigation, terrain-aware routing, safer, low-traffic paths, quick decision-making. With Gemini, cyclists can ask things like, "Is there a bike-friendly coffee shop on my route? Are there bike lanes on this street? Where's the nearest bike repair shop?" And Gemini can adjust routes dynamically, suggest safer alternatives, recommend places optimized for cyclists. This creates a more fluid riding experience and drastically reduces the need to stop, unlock your phone, and manually search. From a safety and usability standpoint, this is a major leap forward. This isn't just a convenience feature, it signals a deeper shift in how Google envisions navigation and search. Traditionally, you searched then got results, then chose then navigated. Now, you navigate then ask and then decide in real time. This means search becomes contextual instead of static. Discovery becomes conversational instead of list-based. Maps becomes a decision engine, not just a routing engine. Google is effectively turning the physical world into a queryable interface, where your surroundings become the input, and Gemini becomes the interpreter. This is also part of a broader trend toward ambient AI, intelligence that works in the background while you move through the world, rather than requiring you to stop and interact with screens. This has massive implications for local businesses, because Gemini pulls from Google Business Profiles, reviews, menus, hours, popularity data, contextual relevance. Businesses that are well optimized, well reviewed, and well described are far more likely to surface in spoken AI recommendations, not just search results. This means local SEO is no longer just about ranking in lists. It's about being selected by AI as the best contextual answer for someone standing nearby, moving in real time. For small businesses, this creates a powerful opportunity. If you optimize your listings properly, Gemini could literally recommend your business to customers as they walk past your door. That's discovery at the moment of intent, and that's incredibly valuable. Here's how to start benefiting from this today. For users, update Google Maps, enable voice navigation, start asking natural language questions while walking or cycling. You'll quickly notice less friction, better discovery, faster decisions, a more human navigation experience. For businesses, fully optimize your Google Business Profile. Add detailed descriptions, categories, menus, photos, and services. Encourage authentic reviews. Keep hours accurate and updated. Because Gemini isn't just pulling keywords, it's interpreting intent, and businesses with clear, structured information win. Zooming out, this move represents something bigger than maps. It signals the future of how we interact with the physical world, not through menus, not through scrolling, but through conversation. Your environment becomes searchable, your movement becomes context, and AI becomes the layer that interprets reality in real time. Google Maps plus Gemini is no longer just navigation, it's augmented decision-making. And this is just the beginning. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you use AI-powered navigation while walking or biking, or does this feel like too much automation? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.